Hello, welcome to Indie Tutorials. My name is Guillermo and I would like to thank the patrons supporting this channel. Today we are going to look at a better way to call schematics. I came across in the documentation from the Mackinon website. So there is, if we go back to the documentation and scroll down, we have this scripting section where is documented how to call a custom or a schematic from custom code, which is way better from the approach I was trying last video. So let's implement that in the role state. Open the script in your editor. Once open, the only thing that we need to do here is copy this object, Mackinon schematic asset, and create a serialize field here like we did before. Serialize field. Let's call it private Mackinon schematic asset. We call it last time and schematic asset. So let me copy the name, put it here. There we go. And then what we can do in our on a schematic on animation end, when we call this schematic, we just need to change these to like so, and remove here as well. So this schematic asset is already a store asset, or Mackinon schematic asset, so that will work. So right now what we can do is just remove everything that we don't want anymore. For example, these calls, and we don't need to implement the serialization. We keep the schematic started, of course, because we need that for the callback when the schematic finished, and we are using it here in this, passing this statement, and we don't need this anymore. Okay, now that we are minimized or remove these settings code that we had in the custom inspector, we don't need it anymore. So what we can do is delete altogether, but I will just comment this out just to have it as a backup or as a notes how to do it in the future. There we go. Save everything. Let Unity compile. The error went away. So if we were to go to our prefabs once again, open prefab, and check the states, we have the role state. We can select again our play audio schematic. If I were to switch game object, we see that's still there, so that's good. And now we can test once again. Let's hit play. We start running and we roll, and we hear the sound. Okay, so that's a better way to call a schematic from custom code, and we can now move on to setting up the UI.